Hi guys, it's Chelsea, and today I am doing a kind of weird product review that I have not done on my channel before. This company, JDMastar, has been kind enough to send me a pair of their LED headlights for cars, and so with the help of my travel buddy Joseph, we are going to be installing those, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like and kind of what the process looks like for installing them. But before we start, I just want to say that this is not a paid promotion or anything. They are not paying me to say anything about this product. They simply sent me these headlights for free, and in return I am doing a product review on them. So this is going to be a completely honest review of this product, and yeah, let me just tell you guys a little bit about them before we start. This is the box that they come in, and it looks like a really simple installation is in store today, but we are going from my standard halogen headlights that came in my car to an LED conversion, and I'm kind of excited to see what happens here, because with my halogen lights, like generally on like low beams it's about 1,000 lumens I guess, and on high beams it can get up to like 1,600 I think, or 1,200. Anyway, a lot less than what we're going for now. These are 4,000 lumens, so I'm really excited to see the difference while I'm driving, because I seriously have issues seeing in the rain and at night with the ones that I have right now, and I'm hoping this just like brightens everything up pretty decently. Also, I know that some people have issues when they install LED headlights into their cars with like not adjusting the height and everything, so that when you're coming onto a person that just installed LED headlights, you can be like completely blinded by them. But Joseph seems to be a pro at this kind of stuff, so we're going to make sure that they are not tilting up at anyone's eyeballs and are level where they should be, so that we're not blinding anyone going down the road. This is everything that comes in the box, and before you order anything, make sure you measure how much space you have in your headlight housing box thing. And these things are kind of cool, I guess, because if this is too long, you can take this off of it and switch it around, and it'll make it shorter so that it fits in there where it needs to be. And we might have to do that with one of them where my battery is, in case it doesn't fit, but the other one should be fine. I don't know. We'll film it. I'll show you how it goes. And yeah, I think that's about everything that I need to say before we get started, but I am super excited to see what this looks like. So let's just get straight to it, and I'll film the before headlights and the after headlights, and you guys can decide for yourself what you think about it, if you like it, whatever. As always, I will put everything in the description box below, so if you're interested in this product or something similar, all their stuff will be linked in the description.
Want you to be mine, and I want you to be mine. I want you to be mine, and I want you to be mine.
thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about our conversion. I am really excited to have been able to collaborate with this company. As always, thank you a million times. Thank you to the patrons that are new, and thank you for watching in general. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, please. If you like videos like this, let me know. If you don't, also let me know that. And I always want to be completely transparent with you guys when it comes to product reviews and stuff like that. So, like I said, they're not paying me to say anything good or bad about this. This is just showing you guys what it looks like before and after, and letting you guys decide for yourself whether or not you think this product is something for you. So I appreciate everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
And I